Hello, I am so excited to show you my order that came in for campaign 9. Campaign 9. We are on our makeup up to 65% off makeup sale. So I'm excited to show you what customers and I have bought. Um, so I hope you are too. If you haven't been with me before, I'm Margie. I am an Avon ambassador. I work both online and in person. So what you're seeing tonight is my order coming in for a local order, plus my own personal order. And if you would like to shop with me online with what you see me show, my information is down below. Free shipping on 60 every day, but we have offers all the time. Right now, I know through May 8th, we have 15% off site wide. So 65% up to 65% up on our makeup, an additional 15% when you use the code MOMSGIFT15. That's all, no apostrophe, just all one word, MOMSGIFT15. I'll have that down below. You can get 15% off the entire site. Or if you would rather, we have Shop and Learn coming up tomorrow. And I will make sure that the codes are down below, but they are bundles at 100 and 200. But they are very nice bundles that you can get free. So lots of opportunities for deals. So let's jump in on what was exciting and what my customers and I got. So we're starting with makeup, right? First thing we got is this is the, oh, isn't that so pretty? This is the out of this galaxy plum. So pretty when it goes on. So that is one of our nail enamels. And then the oil, your cuticle oil. Make sure your cuticles are nice and soft and looking well when you are doing your nails. So that we do have the top coat, top and bottom coat if you want it. Just didn't need that when we ordered. Still in the makeup. Um, had a couple of orders for the FMG Match Prime. This is a blur. This is a primer, but it can also be used alone if you just like a light coverage. Um, one color. You don't have to worry about matching. It will just absolutely blur what's going on with pores or whatnot, and you don't even have to color match. So fantastic buy on this one. And then we also had a customer pick up our this is our this is FM Glimmer, and this is the volumizing Super Shock. That's what I was trying to think. The Super Shock volumizing mascara. So this one is a good one. My other favorites are big sellers are the waterproof, washable waterproof mascaras, both in the Glimmer and in the Love. Both of those are great mascaras also. Um, so, oh, I guess we had a couple of eyeliners being picked up. Always on point. I don't think we talk about these enough. These are not the Glimmer Sticks. These are more of a liquid. Um, eyeliner, and they are fantastic on getting those sharp line. So always on point. Eyeliners, they are part of the sale also. Another sale item that it's been on sale a little bit here lately, but I can't talk enough about it, is our um, skin softeners. They come matching some of our classics and some of our regular fragrances. This is like the original Haku. So you can get it in the skin softener or a body lotion to go and match. Layering is great when you're talking about fragrance. And this is the Amari. So really nice. These are, I think they were like 2 for $7. So what a fantastic buy. Um, and then of course, when we're talking about layering, we have the body wash and scrub. So this has a little bit of an exfoliator in there in the body wash. And so it is again to go with the Haku line. This is the original. So you can get this, you can get the body lotion, or you can get the skin softener. And then of course put that final layer of the cologne on the perfume. And you have an all day scent. And I have to tell you, I do love the Haku line. It is fantastic. One thing that customers were really excited, we had we had been back stocked on this a little bit, be honest, but it is back, and that is our a new clinical um, dual eye lift pro. So this one actually has a cream that goes on the top of the lid and a gel that goes on the bottom, 2-in-1 container. So we got that back in stock. So I've got a couple of those that came in. And then of course, my customers love, love, love our a new line when it comes to moisturizer. So we had the couple of the Ultimate come in. That's in the gold. I know I'm having trouble showing it to you there, but it's Ultimate. So that is going to take care of any fine lines and signs of aging. And then you have the purple and the platinum, and that is lift and firm. So depending on which it is that you're wanting to do. Speaking of Mother's Day, we still, believe it or not, I can't believe we still have this to offer, but we do. The Mother's Day set, I showed it to you before. I bought it. Let me grab it real quick. The Mother's Day set with the bag. OMG, I absolutely love this bag. The detailing on it is beautiful. Canvas that is kind of painted on, leather like, snap closure, and then it's got pockets inside, one zip, one just open. Love this bag, and it comes with the new Ultimate Day Cream and the Faraway Volley. And it is a $127 bundle. And with a $10 purchase, you can get it for $39.99. That is a fantastic buy and a perfect gift for mom because she'll have her bag, she'll have her moisturizer, and a great perfume for spring. So making sure that we kind of round that out. We also have some great things. I don't have them to show, but check out under Discover and then Avon Classics shop. We're coming back with some nostalgic items. I know there's a soft with the new soft musk coming back. There was a pouch with the nostalgic print on it. And then we just got a three-piece set soap in a really beautiful box. And it is berry and jasmine. So more on the berry, a little less on the jasmine, not too floral. But it is a beautiful set. I've seen everybody talking about it. So when you're talking about mom, sometimes that nostalgic kind of comes back, and those make such great gifts. So that's what I have for you. We have until the 8th to shop this campaign. So get in there, get your makeup, make sure you're clearing it out when you're supposed to, and get stocked back up. Again, thank you so much for your support, and I will talk to you soon.